and kiss. Big up all the glamour girls, so cause you run things this year. Watch out. Say you a glamour, girl, what a way you glamorous. Glamorous girl, a time for them boss. You a glamour, girl, what a way you glamorous. Me hate it come last, glamour girl come first. You look round, girl, you look a million pound. Step up in a left because they can't hold you down. Glamorous girl, them a run things a town. Bumper get round till they drop on the ground. Me hate it get fixed, so she can't impress. Cause when it come to glamour, girl, you know you are the best. I know little DB girl can't test. Body where you have a cause man them stress. Cause you a glamour, girl, what a way you glamorous. Glamorous girl, a time for them boss. You a glamour, girl, what a way you glamorous. Me hate it come last and girl, you have the good, yes, you have the goodie. Man out a road, I call you sexy. You shape like a buckle, cola, Pepsi. Inna the most sacred and the most jewelry. Now the girl when me actually have to be a glamour girl. Take off the wig and put in the job style. When she a muggle, them a call her Miss World. A man a rush me girl, me tell him it's off me mal. Now me girl look trash and me girl look rich. Me need a man figure hug up on this. Here comes the cat and me a talk on this. Me to get brush and me to get this. Cause you a glamour, girl, what a way you glamorous. Glamorous girl, a time for them boss. You a glamour, girl, what a way you glamorous. Me to come last and watch out. Tell them me say girl you love, ready me say girl you love cash. Mago you a mago cause you know so you hot inna your sequence suit and your print out rock. That's why they want them a rush you for that. Hairstyle a taco cause you know so you hot. Me to wear wig but a old style that. All she a try you no response for that. Because you have the thing cause they must come back. Cause you a glamour, girl what a way you glamorous. Glamorous girl a time for them boss. You a glamour, girl what a way you glamorous. Me to come last and watch out. Tell them say they know ya, girl yes them a fi glamorous. London girl yes them a fi glamorous. Jamaican girl yes them a fi glamorous. Because style a style, you a boss a style first. You no more for the crowd, you later on pass. Say you mate to your maga but you can't catch up. And we have one you a control the cut cause you a glamour. Girl what a way you glamorous. Glamorous girl a time for them boss. You a glamour, girl what a way you glamorous. Mate to come last, glamour girl come cause you look round. Girl you look a million pound. Step up in a leg because they can't hold you down. Glamorous girl them a run things a town. Bumper get down till they drop on the ground. Beauty get big so she can't impress. Cause when it come to glamour girl you know you are the best. And now little DB girl can't test. Body where you have a cause man them stress. Cause you a glamour, girl what a way you glamorous. Glamorous girl a time for them boss. You a glamour, girl what a way you glamorous. Me to come last, glamour girl come. You a glamour, 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 glamour. You a glamour, you a glamour, well, we're not gonna further. Them have to start the killing and murder from South Africa, cause straight back to my corner. And where we come to tell all the people them say, watch out, we show peace. All of them must make me hear show peace. All politicians if they cry out for peace. All of the people make me hear show peace. Where we tell the people them want for decrease. Peace for increase. They fussing on the contention that peace. Times get straight, things are run red. Cause every day we get up is another man dead. And you can tell the world we're not gonna further until we can stop the violence and murder around the world and up on certain corner. Every day we get up a bloodshed and murder. Look what I'm going down in South Africa. There's all of them a fight against Nelson Mandela. A whole heap of innocent people get slaughtered. Woman she a ball, call them kill a one daughter. Stop all the quarrel, let's live together. Cause that is the only way we're going to prosper. Live in unity amongst we one another. No matter about the age or creed or color. So war for decrease, peace for increase. The fussing and the contention that peace get dread. Things are run red, cause every day we get up is another man dead. Me tell them it's a gun in a barrow, blow the boy marrow. That not educate the youth of tomorrow. Listen, Mr. Cat talk truth and right. Let's live together, make we all unite and show peace. All of them must make me hear show peace. All politicians they fake cry out for peace. All of the people make me hear show peace. From ups and downs so make me hear peace. From downs and ups so make me hear peace. Afraid of fight and them happy with this. Listen, Mr. Cat when me a tell them say, who tell them after them say, watch out, say war for the increase, peace for increase. They fussing on the contention that pieces. Times get dread, things are run red, cause every day we get up is another man dead. Watch out, me said I went to a shop to buy a newspaper. And I read about a war and murder. 40 dead and 30 injured. Down in the ghetto, me say in a South Africa. This is a question me wonder why. Why so many people that suffer and die? Like a pick in the hand, them woman them a cry. We tell them massive them say, watch out. Say war for decrease, peace for increase. They fussing on the contention that fixes. Times get dread, things are run red, cause every day we get up is another one dead. Me tell them me say, look what a go on, that a worldwide war. Look at what a go on down a Somalia. And look what a go on, me say down a Bosnia. So we don't have to get on, me say that a danger. You can't walk a jungle if you come from Rima. A pure tribulation down a South Africa. We have to put down the violence and live together. We tell all the people them say, watch out. Say war for decrease, peace for increase. They fussing on the contention that pieces. Times get dread, things are run red, cause every day we get up is another man dead. And you can tell the world we're not gonna further until we can stop the violence and murder around the world and up on certain corner. Every day we get up a bloodshed and murder. Look what I want to South Africa. There's all of them a fight against Nelson Mandela. And all labor innocent people get slaughtered. Woman say a ball cause them kill a one daughter. Stop all the quarrel, let's live together, cause that is the only way we're going to prosper. Living unity amongst with one another. No matter about the age or creed or color. Say war for decrease, peace for increase. They fussing